In order to meet the requirements for automation systems, for example, to increase productivity and be future-proof, even more flexibility is required. Flexibility that gives you the possibility to equip your plants or systems with the latest technologies, making sure they are always state-of-the-art. Let me give you one example. Take your smartphone. App developers and manufacturers are continuously adding new functionalities and security updates. In the end, we as users benefit from the latest software and features.
Wir als Nutzer von aktuellster Software und immer neuesten Features. Aber auch in Automatisierung.
Edge computing offers similar possibilities for automation systems. Furthermore, edge computing is bridging the gap between automation technology and the cloud by combining the benefits of both worlds.
Kombiniert werden.
Siemens Industrial Edge thus expands automation technology by adding cloud-based functions, such as 1. Central device management, 2. Rapid update cycles for software, as well as 3. App-based data analysis and processing directly on the machine itself.
Direkt an der Maschine. Diese Funktionalitäten ermöglichen es,
Thanks to these functionalities, you are able to react quickly to changing requirements.
und darauf zu reagieren. Doch wie funktioniert
But
es?
how does it work?
Siemens Industrial Edge.
Siemens Industrial Edge consists of 3 key components. 1. Edge devices. For automation technology, these devices provide a platform to process and analyze large volumes of data directly on, yet decoupled from, the process using Edge
Diese
apps.
Edge-Geräte sind dabei vollständig vom Prozess entkoppelt. Die zweite
2.
Komponente,
Edge
sogenannten
apps.
Edge-Apps, lauffähig auf den Edge.
The apps run on Edge devices and are using high-level languages. Processed data can be analyzed, processed, and transferred directly to higher-level IT and cloud systems.
Systeme sowie Cloud-Systeme übertragen werden. Und zuletzt
3. Edge Management System, the most important component. The Edge Management System enables you to monitor the status of all Edge devices, manage each individual device, and most importantly, centrally install updates on all Edge devices worldwide.
weit auf alle Edge-Geräte auszurollen und zu installieren. Siemens Industrial Edge
Siemens Industrial Edge offers you the possibility to make your machines and systems even more flexible and future-proof, thus continuously increasing productivity at the end of the day.
kontinuierlich zu steigern.
Siemens. Ingenuity for life.